Hey everyone, welcome to Pada Live. This is me, Aniko Magan, and wishing you all a happy Independence Day or Independence Weekend. And like I have been saying, be independent from coronavirus. That is the real independence we have. That is the real freedom we want to achieve in this particular year, in this particular time of pandemic. And wishing you all a great and a happy Independence Day again. So here are our 5 recommendations to watch on Independence Day, the 5 patriotic movies which you would love to watch, and I am damn sure you would have watched all these 5 movies somewhere or the other, like somewhere or the other way, or at some point of your life. I think you would have watched these 5 movies, and I am damn sure you would have loved all these 5 movies, because these 5 movies define Indian cinema's caliber at producing patriotic movies, producing large-hearted films, producing films which are larger than life. So I think we have to give credits to these makers of these films. So here goes the list. So number 1, Swades. Swades is a film starring Shah Rukh Khan, Gayatri Joshi, a lot of other actors, Kishori Balal, and it's one of those films. It released in 2004. It's one of those films which did not work at the box office, and it was a flop. But it gained cult status, and the way it has achieved a lot of acclaim and recognition over the period of time, I think it's one of the best Indian movies to ever release. And the way Ashutosh Gawarikar has conceived this film, I think deserves a special mention, or great. It's one of those greatest movies of Indian cinema. I think you must appreciate Ashutosh Gawarikar, the director, for conceiving such a great film. So kudos to Ashutosh Gawarikar, and to make Shah Rukh Khan as Mohan Bhargav. I think it's one of those performances of Shah Rukh Khan which you want to revisit again and again. And definitely the other supporting cast, I think they were quite well. And coming from Lagan, I think Swades was a different film with a village setting. So, and it made a lot of people come back to India. So it's one of those patriotic movies which resulted in development of India, I could say that. So, and music by A.R. Rahman sir, I think it's one of the best scores and one of the best original soundtracks ever in the history of Indian cinema. The song Ye Tara Wo Tara Har Tara, Ye Jo Des Hai Tera, Ahista Ahista, all these songs, I think it's one of the best soundtracks ever. So please go and watch Swades on Netflix right now, and you will have a great time, and you will have great love for this content the film offers. So let's go to the next film on our list, and that is Chak De India, again a film starring Shah Rukh Khan. So Shah Rukh Khan is my idol, so definitely you'll see a lot of his references, a lot of his film recommendations coming from me, because Chak De India is a film with that honor, and it's one of those well-made sports drama, sports biopic, can't say biopic, but sports drama. And the way they have made that film pertaining to hockey, and hockey is particularly famous because of Chak De India, and the Olympics and the tweets of the Olympic players are a testament to that. So coming to talk about Chak De India, it's a film starring Shah Rukh Khan and a lot of other actresses who played hockey players, and I don't want to disclose their name because you love watching their characters more than anything. Then Shah Rukh Khan plays Kabir Khan, and he's regarded, or he's marked as a traitor at the start of the film, and towards the end of the film he's like one of the most respected person in the country. So that's a great journey. It's one of those films, patriotic films, which have been inspiring people to do well in life, and it's one of those films which motivates you, which culminates a lot of inspiration towards you. So please go and watch Chak De India, film produced by YRF, that is Yash Raj Films, on Amazon Prime Video. You will have a great time, and definitely please watch out for the knockout goals and all. So please go and watch Chak De India on Amazon Prime Video. Then comes the third film on our list, that is Rang De Basanti. So Rang De Basanti, again, it's quite a youth film, urban film, and you did not expect such kind of a twist, such kind of storyline towards the second half. And Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra is one of those brilliant directors. Coming to talk about his direction, I think it's one of those well-directed films. Again, a great soundtrack by A.R. Rahman. Amazing soundtrack. You must listen all the songs. Rubaru, Masti Ki Pathshala. The title track, Rang De Basanti title track, is still fresh, and it looks like an out-of-the-box Punjabi song, and the beats are great. So please go and watch Rang De Basanti, starring Amir Khan, Siddharth, Madhavan, Suha Ali Khan, Sharman Joshi. I think it's one of those multi-starrer movies which paved way for a lot of multi-starrer movies in the late 2000s and 2010s. I think please go and check out Rang De Basanti on Netflix. You will have a great time during this Independence Day weekend. The fourth film in our list, again an Amir Khan starrer, that is Amir Khan starrer. So you did not expect two Amir Khan films from me, right? So Lagan. Lagan is one of those well-defined Indian movies. It's one of the best Indian movies to ever release. And Lagan, storyline-wise, everything is super good. I think it's one of those well-made documentary commentary about our peasants or farmers' struggle during the British Raj. So please go and watch Lagan, because Lagan is one of those films which tries to show the difference between the lifestyle of Indian farmers those days and the British people who are ruling us. So great acting by Amir Khan as Bhuvan. Then a lot of other actors, Gracie Singh, even Chalu Pandey is there from Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, Daya Shankar Pandey, a lot of other actors. So it's an amazing film. Then soundtrack again by A.R. Rahman. See, A.R. Rahman has given his best for Indian patriotic movies. Trust me, guys. So he has been just at his best for Indian patriotic movies. And that Ghanane Ghanane Giri Giri Aaye Badra Ghane Ghane Gor Kaye Chaye Badra, that song, then Radha Kaise Na Jale, then Chale Chalo, all these songs here, like O Palanhare, again a great prayer song. So the soundtrack offers a lot of variety, a lot of what do you say, it's one of those complete soundtracks which you would love to listen on loop. And please go and check out the soundtrack as well. So watch Lagan on Netflix again. You will have a great time. And watch out for the English actors who acted in Lagan, okay? The fifth film, I think it will be a surprise from me, because I have not recommended this particular film anywhere or at any point of time, because I particularly felt it was over the top during its time of release. But over the time period, I feel it's one of those well-made patriotic films or a patriotic drama. And it's a rescue film as well. So it's a film starring Akshay Kumar. So you're trying to predict what I'm going to say. You're trying to, yeah. But so the film is Airlift. So Airlift is an amazing film. It's a film directed by Raja Krishna Menon, starring Akshay Kumar, Nimrat Kaur, and a lot of other actors. So it's a well-made film about a rescue operation happening in Kuwait during the 90s, and how they rescued a lot of people and how they struggled during the wartime between Kuwait and their neighboring country. So that's a beautiful story, and the way they come back to India and everything, it's quite an inspiring story, and it's a real life based story. A well-made film and amazing soundtrack. Again, a lot of music composer worked for the film. So that song Soch Na Sake, Cheez Tujhe De Di, all these songs are quite an amazing songs, and kudos to the original Soch Na Sake song as well. So please go and watch Airlift on Voot app. So I think this is the only film which is out of the box app or out of the box OTT platform, that is Voot. So I hope it's available on other platforms as well in some point of time, but please go and watch Airlift as well on Voot. You will have a great time watching Akshay Kumar playing that, well composed man, not having that his usual energy and all. So please go and watch Airlift on Voot app. So here was our list, guys, and I hope you had a great time listening to our list, because we tried to capture each and every Indian patriotic movie. So more than saying Indian patriotic movie, I think I can say Bollywood patriotic movies, because there are a lot of other language patriotic movies which I am still yet to discover or yet to cover as such, because they are all gems of Indian cinema. And definitely these films are a huge inspiration, and these are the 5 films which I suppose 80 to 90% of our population, be it any language or any part of the world, I think they would have watched this film at some point of their life. So that was our motive to say, or that was our motive to make people learn or make people think that these are the 5 best patriotic films, which we also think the same. So Swades, Chak De India, then Rang De Basanti, Lagan, and Airlift. So these 5 films are some of the best films ever of Indian cinema, and the 5 best films on patriotic or what do you say, patriotism. So 5 best patriotic movies ever made. So please go and check out these 5 films on the OTT platforms which I told you. So spend your Independence weekend wisely, or say with an emotion of pride, or what do you say, freedom, independence, but at home. So please go and watch these movies, guys, and until and unless you have any work to go out or hang out with someone, please don't go out, because COVID-19 is still prevalent and we are not yet independent from COVID-19. We are only independent from British Raj, but we are not independent from COVID-19 as yet, that is coronavirus. So same kind of joke I am repeating again and again, but I am sorry, but that is the situation we are right now in. So please go and watch these 5 movies, 5 best patriotic movies recommended by Pada Live, and I hope to see you in my next video and next recommendation. So we'll be coming up with a lot of recommendation, a lot of suggestions, and wait for our short film suggestion as well. So unless and until you feel like not visiting our channel, I think please come and watch our videos regularly, watch our content, old content, so you'll have great time watching them, because we are trying to up our game, we are trying to step up with a lot of things. So please go and watch these 5 movies and watch our videos on Pada Live channel. So until then, I'll see you, and wishing you all a happy Independence Day and Independence weekend, and bye guys.